So, hello guys. Pwede nyo ba akong i-add or bigyan or i-gift nyo na lang ako ng Robux? Okay lang naman kahit ilang Robux. So, ito yung place doon. Ito natin ko na. Mag-join tayo at ito po ang aking stand and username. Mapapakita ko po ang username ko po mamaya sa pag-leave ko na place doon. Ano pa po? Wait lang po. Malag po kasi ako. Kaya, I can start the video. So, yung activity that I will implement and but can you guys please donate to or give me the gift and any money. How much, if you ask how much Robux, Robux, like that. You can just add how many you want, only down 8,000, wait, I don't know. So, if y'all gonna ask what's my username, then I'm gonna tell you my username later. Let's be patient. Now, this is my profile, my name, and you can give me any or how much Robux you want to give me. I don't care if it's 1, 2, or 3 Robux, 3 or more, I don't care. At least you guys give me something. So, guys, this is my profile and my name. There, the Aztec is my nickname and my real name is right here. Like, have an art. Yeah, here. So, goodbye guys. This is still part 1. So, stay tuned. Goodbye. Wait for a moment. Okay. I'm gonna cancel this, but I have some explaining to do in Tagalog or English. So, ang papa ko ay hindi na mag-upload ng video. So, yung account niya daw sa akin na lang daw. Sorry po kasi na po siya. May ginagawa po siyang importante at po hindi na po siya makakapag-add ng video or makakapag-upload. So, ayun lang po. Stay tuned na lang po sa part 2. Bye-bye!